Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025 Top 10 Winning Tips Round 2 Step-by-Step Guide to get the top result. You can check the other video for Round 2 INT, for Round 2 Marketing. This video shows the details guide tip for Round 2 Production part. I show you the detail now. So you see the screen of Round 2 Production on the screen, and you have calculated the sales forecast here in the Marketing, and also we have the inventory here. So just use the Excel file to deduct forecast and inventories, and then you can get the production plan. If you want, you can download the Excel file under this video to get the faster calculation of that, and then you input the number of production here into the production screen, right? And then remember, do not copy the number and paste into the game, because the number may be different from student to student and also depends on the competitor. So I guide you the step by step so you know the overview of what to do, and then you can customize that. You can adjust the strategy to match your game, right? So do not copy the number and paste into the game. Use the strategy and the way we are doing it, the method we are doing it, right? And then you can always win. And now for production, you see that we can increase automation to 6 and 8 for traditional to 6, 8 low end to 8 the other. Keep that 3 we increase later, and then increase to 8 for the new low end, new traditional. We buy more capacity here because we have the limited budget here. So that's the details for round 2. You can also see the contribution margin is very good down here, right? So that's the details guide tip for round 2 production. If you have any question, just send the email to mbahelp2002@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.